A few months ago, I was watching some YouTube videos about the evolution of cryptocurrencies, and I found the people from the Abra project. They said it was a Bitcoin contract-based project, and this made me curious. So I started to look for information and tested this application. I want to share with you 10 things about the Abra wallet that remained in my mind. I'm going to tell you from the very first beginning that I'm not precisely delighted with this application, but I still believe it deserves some attention. Let me show you why. First of all, what precisely is the Abra wallet? Basically, this is a mobile application available for both iOS and Android. It has a simple and good-looking design. It is user-friendly, very intuitive to use, and it works extremely well. It is a multi-currency crypto wallet, but also an investment tool. It is a crypto exchange, but also a fiat-to-cryptocurrency gateway. So it is a sort of all-in-one, and you will see details about these features. Second, their website needed improvements, but they made it. I have discovered this application at the end of March 2019. Of course, the very first thing that I did was to check their website. At that time, after reading the website for like 5 minutes, I was still unable to understand the purpose of this application. And this was a problem, in my opinion, because I was about to say, okay, I'm going to leave that and I'm not interested in such an application that I don't understand the purpose of. Meanwhile, I could see they have made changes, and you have an idea about what this wallet is and what's the purpose of it since the very first moment. And this shows me that the team behind this project is active and it is constantly improving this application. The third thing that I want to tell about this application is that you need a phone number in order to activate, in order to configure this application. But here it is an improvement too. A few months ago, they had some stupid feature on their website. You had to introduce your phone number on the website, then you would receive a link on your phone, and you could download that application using the link. It was stupid. Now you can simply download it from App Store or Google Play. You can search for it and you're going to find it quite easily. I'm going to show you in the next step how to configure an Abra wallet, but I want you to know that you need a phone number in order to configure it. The phone number does not have to be on the device where you install that Abra wallet, but it is important to have a phone number that you have access to. This brings me to the next point: install, configuration, and some security features. Here I have an Android device. I'm going to Play Store and search for Abra wallet. Here it is, here's the logo. I'm going to hit install and I'm going to wait for the download and installation. Okay, here I have the application. I'm going to access it and let's see how we can configure it. I have here the button Restore, but I'm not interested in this option now. I want to get started. Actually, I want to configure a new wallet. I hit Get Started, and here they ask me for my name, Chris. Continue. Now I have to introduce my email, and I'm going to use infocryptland@gmail.com. This is the address where you can contact me. And now they ask me for my phone number. I would have preferred not to have this step for a crypto wallet or a crypto investing tool, but it seems I have no option. There is no way I can hit continue or skip to this step. I'm going to introduce my phone number and move on. The next step is to complete a verification code that they have sent me on my phone. And I'm going to write that and hit continue. Now I have to set a 4-digit PIN. I like this security measure, this way of protecting my application from my phone. I would have loved fingerprint authentication, but PIN is okay. And I'm going to set a random PIN for now. Now I have to confirm this PIN. As you can see, it is very intuitive to use and it works pretty nice. It's the same on iOS and it works great. Now, I don't know why you can't see the screen, but actually this is a step where I'm asked if I'm a US citizen. The next step is about a recovery phrase, and I have made some tests in order to see if that black screen is a bug or a security measure. Look, if I go on home with my phone, everything is fine. You can see my screen. If I access Abra wallet, they ask me for the PIN, and then you will see a black screen. The screen on my phone looks something like that. And I have tried to make a screenshot in order to show it on the video, and I'm not able. So the next step is to protect your funds. And they remind you that you have a recovery key that you have to keep safe. And they tell you that Abra cannot access that recovery key for you. And they cannot help you recover the funds in case you lose your phone or it breaks. But now I can skip this feature. I mean, they tell me, okay, recovery key is extremely important and it is only you that have access to it, but you can still skip it for now and come later and write it down and keep it safe and so on. More than that, on iOS they don't have this page. They don't tell you, hello, you've got a recovery key that you have to back up and keep safe. In terms of eligibility and fees, well, the Abra wallet is literally available everywhere in the world. The only difference between countries is the way you fund your wallet with fiat. Crypto deposits are free and available for everyone. Funding your wallet with fiat might seem a little more complicated, and more than that, the community is complaining about the fees, about how much the fees are. If you have a look on their website, here you can see all the fees they're charging. So there are some charges that depend more or less on Abra. About the withdrawal of fiat, I'm not sure I completely understand. Here we have a few details about withdrawal for the US and Philippines, but if I'm from Europe, I'm not sure if they charge me any fee, but most of all, I'm not sure if I'm able to withdraw fiat. On the other hand, withdrawing cryptocurrencies is free. All you have to pay is the network fee. Now you can see that they claim they don't charge their customers for currency exchanges, crypto or not. But they do generate income from the spread between currencies. So this is a sort of, we don't charge you, the fee is included in the service. Let's talk a little bit about Abra crypto limitations. Although they have like 30 cryptocurrencies that you can trade, that you can exchange on this wallet, you can deposit and withdraw only 4 digital assets. More than that, if I deposit fiat money and I want to buy cryptocurrencies, I can buy Bitcoin only. The next point is to make a quick review about how you can buy Bitcoin with fiat on this application. I'm from Romania, from Eastern Europe, and I'm going to show you my 2 ways of funding Abra wallet. The first is through a bank transfer with a SEPA account. It can take 2 or 3 business days, and this is completely understandable. It has a 0.25% processing fee, and the daily limit is $10K. But in order to do that, you have to pass a verification process. Mine has lasted like 3 or 4 minutes. The second method is using a Visa or a MasterCard. The third party for funding your Abra wallet with a Visa or a MasterCard is Simplex. It's a great service, but it has a fee of 5% or minimum $10. The daily limitation is $20K. So funding your Abra wallet is not rocket science. It can be pretty easy, in fact. Now, how does Abra investing system work? And of course, I'm going to be concerned about the crypto area. Here you can see the most simple explanation about how this system works. This basically means that the algorithm behind the application just calculates your gains or your loss based on what digital asset you have chosen to bet your money on. But the Abra wallet does not integrate the blockchain of all 30 cryptocurrencies that they have available. For example, you never buy Cardano coin on the Abra wallet, but if you choose to invest in this digital asset, you lose or you gain money on this application based on the way the price of Cardano, of Abra coin, increases and decreases. The next thing that I want to tell you about the Abra wallet is their affiliate program. If you invite your friends to use this application, both of you receive $25 for free. For example, if you want to install Abra wallet on your phone and you use my affiliate link that is available in the description below, both you and me receive $25 each in Bitcoin. So I highly encourage you to do that and to share your personal link, your unique link with your friends in case you enjoyed this application. And the last thing I want to mention about this application is that the community has negative opinions about that. Personally, although I have installed, configured and used it for a few days, I'm not really delighted with it. The purpose of it, it's not precisely related to the crypto market. It just incorporates cryptocurrencies. If this is suitable for your needs, then go for it. But before that, you can also take a look at the community's opinions about this application. To my surprise, people were not very happy about it, but you have to know that they have made changes to this application and they have improved this wallet a lot during the past months. This gives me some confidence in this application. When the team behind it is strong, then that product can really grow. It can be an investment tool that is extremely easy to use. Analyze the fees, analyze what features it has besides cryptocurrencies, and decide if this is what you want. These were the 10 things that I wanted to tell you about the Abra wallet or the Abra application. If you want to see more details, I'm going to let a link in the description to an article that explains all these 10 things with more details. I thank you so much for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it and don't forget to subscribe in order to see more videos like this one. My name is Christina. Thank you for watching.